Today we're heading to Nordson Electronic Systems, located here in Carlsbad, California. Here at Nordson, creating reliable electronics is an everyday reality. They deliver cutting-edge engineering and application excellence to help their customers succeed. Let's take a deeper dive into the daily life of a welder.
My name is Michael Shaw. I am the lead welder at Nordson Electronic Solutions. My job responsibilities are to make sure that our department is running efficiently as possible and to make sure we get all our products out in a timely manner. On a typical workday, I start off by going through my work orders to see which job has the most urgency, and then I go and perform the spot welding or TIG welding processes to complete the job. So spot welding, otherwise known as resistance welding, is using electric current between copper electrodes to create a fusion weld. TIG welding stands for tungsten inert gas welding, and that is a process where you're using not only your feet, but both your hands to make sure you're getting the best weld. What I like most about welding is I get to create things with my hands. I get to see a product go from almost nothing to finished product, sometimes in just a few hours. In high school, I was big into shop classes. I took automotive classes and I took welding classes throughout high school. And because of that, that led me to start getting into careers that were pertaining to production. So I applied for a job here at Nordson 16 years ago when I was 19 years old, and I started out as a grinder. And I literally was just grinding parts. And I worked my way through the shop doing sheet metal work, doing Bondo, doing paint, and eventually leading my way back into welding. And that's where I am today. Except for high school, pretty much self-taught. I didn't do any certifications, I did not go to college. I'm here today just from teaching myself and keep on practicing and keep on doing it. Some of the skills I use daily at Nordson are adaptability, communication, and problem solving. Every day can be different, so that can be a blessing and a challenge at the same time. If I were to hire someone for our team here at Nordson, I'd be looking for somebody that has great teamwork skills, communication, and flexibility. I get a sense of accomplishment at the end of the day knowing my products are affecting everybody's lives, from TVs to cell phones to consumer electronics.